In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invert image color in PowerPoint quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to create a negative style image effect or flip the colors of a picture for a creative presentation design, this simple trick will help you do it in just a few clicks. PowerPoint doesn't have a one-click invert colors button, but there is a very easy workaround using artistic effects. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the picture that you want to invert. Make sure the image is already inserted into your slide. If it's not, simply go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose your image from your computer. Once the image is on your slide, click directly on it. You'll know it's selected when you see the resize handles appear around the edges of the picture. Selecting the image is important because it activates the special formatting tools specifically for pictures. Now move to Step 2. With the image selected, go up to the top menu and click on the Picture Format tab. This tab only appears when a picture is selected, so if you don't see it, double-check that you've clicked on the image first. Inside the Picture Format tab, you'll see a variety of tools that allow you to adjust brightness, contrast, color, borders, effects, and more. This is where all the image editing features in PowerPoint are located. Next is Step 3. In the Picture Format tab, look for the option called Artistic Effects. Click on Artistic Effects and a drop-down gallery will appear showing different visual styles you can apply to your image. These effects are designed to make your picture look like a sketch, painting, blur, or photocopy. While there isn't a direct invert colors option, we can use one of these artistic styles to create a similar inverted look. Now for Step 4. From the Artistic Effects gallery, choose an effect like Photocopy or another dark and light variation effect. The Photocopy effect works especially well because it converts the image into high-contrast black and white, often reversing light and dark areas to create a negative style appearance. Click on it to apply the effect instantly. Once applied, you'll see your image change right away on the slide. If you want to refine the look further, you can click on Artistic Effects options at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This opens a Format Picture panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you can adjust settings like transparency, brightness, and contrast to make the inverted effect stronger or softer depending on your design needs. Play around with these sliders until you get the exact look you're going for. If you're trying to create a more dramatic color inversion effect, you can also experiment with the Color option in the Picture Format tab. Clicking on Color lets you adjust saturation and tone, which can help enhance the inverted style even more. Combining artistic effects with color adjustments can give you a unique and professional-looking result. And that's it. That's how to invert image color in PowerPoint using artistic effects. It's a simple workaround that only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.